Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, finished in its pimento red, black interior, 4-speed overdrive, disc wheels. Good little restored car we just picked up from a gentleman in Colorado. This is a first-year production TR6, so it's got the lovely, clean, simple European look bumpers on it. Brand new tires fitted. We fitted also brand new water hoses. It has a brand new windshield fitted and nice restored interior. You can see carpet, seats, dash is in pretty good shape overall. This is the overdrive switch right here. So we're gonna be taking this out and check out the video that's coming soon. We fitted, like I said, we fitted brand new tires and pretty good looking car. Kind of a little bit on the amateur side with the body and paint, but still it has a really nice glossy look to it. There's been some frame repairs in the back, some strengthening. So if you wanna look at the undercarriage photos, you can check out these, you know, the rear section of the frame there. Pretty good gaps all the way around. Like I said, glossy red paint, you know, good driver's condition car from like 10 feet. But, you know, being a 69 with overdrive, this car is really well priced with all the new parts it has. And like I said, we just did a little tune up on it. We're gonna get it up online with that driving video on our website pretty soon. But yeah, really lovely, attractive, brand new windshield with rubber and lockup strip there. Seats have been upholstered, brand new soft top fitted. You can see those in the photos. Brand new carpets, you know, cosmetically, pretty tidy little car here. But yeah, take a look at the undercarriage, the engine bay photos, and also look for that video coming. And I think this car is painted in the original colors if you look at the VIN tag. And yeah, if you're in the market for a reasonable TR6 but a good year with good options, driver condition, look no further. This is our 1969 Triumph TR6 Convertible, finished in pimento red, black interior, black top, 4-speed, disc wheels, overdrive transmission. I believe it is a factory overdrive car from the factory. Original fitment there. www.kurttannermotorcars.com